When your GE water heater pilot light won't stay lit, there are two main culprits to investigate: the thermocouple and gas supply issues. First, ensure your gas supply is on and the gas valve is open. This is a critical safety step before attempting any repairs. Follow the instructions on your water heater to relight the pilot. Press and hold the pilot button while igniting, then continue holding for 30 to 60 seconds after the flame appears. If the pilot still won't stay lit, the thermocouple is likely the issue. The thermocouple is a safety device that senses the pilot flame and shuts off gas flow if the flame goes out. Try cleaning the thermocouple with fine grit sandpaper or emery cloth. Gently sand the tip to remove any corrosion or buildup that might prevent proper operation. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replacing the thermocouple is often the final solution. Thermocouples are inexpensive parts that can be easily replaced with basic tools. If the thermocouple isn't causing the problem, a clogged pilot tube could be preventing gas from reaching the pilot light. Clean the pilot tube using a thin wire or needle to remove any debris that might be blocking gas flow. If you suspect a gas leak or the problem persists after cleaning, contact a qualified plumber immediately. Gas-related issues require professional expertise for safety. Regular preventative maintenance can prevent many pilot light problems. The most important maintenance task is annual tank flushing to remove sediment buildup. Also, inspect the anode rod regularly. This component prevents tank corrosion and should be replaced when it becomes heavily corroded. Test the temperature and pressure relief valve annually to ensure it operates properly. This safety device prevents dangerous pressure buildup in the tank. Modern water heater models often use electronic ignition systems instead of pilot lights. These systems eliminate the continuous gas consumption of a traditional pilot light, improving energy efficiency. Regular maintenance and proper troubleshooting can keep your water heater running efficiently. When in doubt, always prioritize safety and consult a professional.